Alright guys, you guys asked for more recipes, so I'm going to give you more recipes. What I have here is a half and half baby greens and spinach. So, and this is organic, as you can see. So I like to, these are really great, and people always wonder, is like, oh, how do you get time to get your vegetables in and things that... You can buy pre-washed vegetables just like this, and it's not, it's not like, you're taking a... you're not doing all the work. It's basically a lot easier, so you save time, right? So the other thing is, you can buy spinach and you can buy all those, and you can also buy Swiss chard and do it yourself. But if if you're busy, things that this is actually really great to get around the greens, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook this up. I'm gonna put seasoning, and I'm gonna actually put some herbs in there, and then I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit of these greens here, because then I won't actually need to do a lot of chopping and things like that. So if you're always pressed for time, things like this, you can have a great handful of greens, put it in while this is cooking, and then you'll have some vegetables to go with it. So at least you're not just eating meat, right? So just stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, so right now I have it cooking in my pan. I'm not putting it in an Instant Pot today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook it, and I'm gonna put in the vegetables. Because the Instant Pot might overcook all the vegetables to go with it, like the greens. So I'm just going to use a regular pan. I'm going to, as you can see, there's no oil. Okay, so I'm just poaching it in water, and then eventually the water will start to evaporate, and then I will have the greens in there, and then it'll be almost time for it. The water should be gone, and then it'll be good. So as you can see, it's fully seasoned. I got my garlic salt, I got oregano, I got fennel seeds, I got some white pepper. So yeah, so I'm just gonna wait. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, so it's just about done here. As you can see, here's the greens all in there. You don't have to cook it for that long, and I'm gonna take a quick taste test of a little bit of green. Yeah, we'll take this one. Whatever's easier to scoop up. There we go. As you can see, there it is. Let's do a quick taste test. So the flavor permeates through. It's really good. You got the flavor of the garlic, salt, and you got the herbs melding in with the greens. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. And as you can see, look how fast it really cooks. So